Are you having trouble allowing Snapchat to access your contacts on your iPhone? In this short tutorial, I will show you the simple steps needed to allow Snapchat access to your contacts list. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Privacy and Security. Once you find it, tap on it. And now you'll see an option called Contacts. So go ahead and tap Contacts. Once you are on the Contacts page, you have the ability to manage your contacts' access to various apps on your iPhone. So now, in order to allow Snapchat to access your contacts, simply toggle this on. And now you've successfully allowed access for contacts on Snapchat. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.